Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete photos from Google Photos. You have to start by opening Google Photos application. After that you need to select photo what you wanna delete. So press and hold on it, or you can say select all photos per month or per day, but I want to select, so I want to delete this photo, I want to delete this photo, also this and this. Okay, and let's delete some video. So right here at the bottom click at the trash, the same for iOS and Android, and delete. Now we should go to the collections and right here click at the trash. So after we delete it, we just transfer it to the trash. If you want to delete them permanently, you need to click at the three dots right here, then select, and you can delete all of them. You can also restore them. You can select some of these photos and you can delete only this. So click delete and delete. And right now we delete it permanently. So this photo what you delete in the trash, you cannot restore anymore. These photos also will automatically delete after 30 or 60 days from the trash. Automatically. So if you don't need it, you need to select them and restore it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.